Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, as I've already explained you in my most of the videos, that as soon as it moves out of a zone of $3 and $2, probability of going further upside, we can see if the price move out of $3, and a probability of going further down, we can see the price fall below $2. Okay, and it has already moved out of this zone because there is a narrow pattern forming, and chances was very high that if the price move above a level of 3, a further upside movement we can see. And it has already moved out of a zone of $3.053, which was a strong resistance. So once the price, as suggested, that if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see. Now it has already made a half round, 3.593 okay, as you can see looking at this particular chart. And chances are very high that it can move further upside, and a probability of going towards 3.7 also we can see, to a level of 3.9 also, and then further high. But as I've told you, market is uncertain. Always remember to set your SL. Always remember to trail your SL. These two things are very important to save your capital and your profit. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, the gap is still pending. And after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a clear pattern forming. What this pattern was saying, that whenever it is hitting its new high, we have seen a fall is coming, and that this pattern also we have seen in crude. Okay, and why this fall is coming? Because a profit booking is coming. Okay, at this level, at high level, profit booking is coming. Those who might be holding from previous trades, they might be booking the profit, and that is where we have seen a profit booking come. And for this after sixth time, this was a 7th time it would have gone, but because of the war situation, we have seen it was continuously moving down, as we have seen in crude also. So now before I explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $3.5847, $3.5847, which is already being tested here. So chances are very high it will cross that level and will go further upside after crossing level of 3.5443. okay, now trading at a level of 3.5067. Once it sustains, then we can see a level of $3.5443, and this level is already being tested. So chances are that it will touch this level, 3.5844. once the price sustain above that level, we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards $3.5980. and if the price move above that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of $3.6048. okay, and once the price move above a level of $3.6048, it will go towards a level of around $3.7418, and this level is already being tested here. So chances are high it will cross that level and can go towards a level of 3.90018. okay, and keep that in mind. As soon as it moves above a level of 3.7418, chances of touching a level of 3.9018 will be there, and from there the price can go and touch a level of $4.1149. This $4.1149 is half the zone. okay, and this is a gap still pending at a level of 4.35. so once the price sustain above this level, chance of touching 4.35 is there. okay, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. Hope you understand. Once the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards 3.5 to a level of 3.729 and to a level of 3.9. once it sustain above this level, chances of crossing a level of 4 we can see, and then it can fill this particular gap. Now you have to understand market is uncertain, as I've already explained you. So always try to set your SL. okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $3.4603. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it will go towards $3.4145. okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 3.3136 is there, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and it can touch a level of around $3.1416. okay, again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 3.4603. After that, we can see a level of $3.145, and once it move below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 3.3136, and if that level move further down, then we can see a level of $3.1146, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards 3.0488. Okay, and this is the strong support. Keep that in mind. A bounce back can come from this particular levels. Okay, and then if it moves below that level, we will see it will move again in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, so once it fall below a level of 3.053, chances of going towards a level of around 2.9391 we can see, and after that a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.7772. Okay, and once it move below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.7496, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $2.5553. Okay, so if it moves below a level of $3, understand it will come again in the zone, and a probability of moving in the zone will be there. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.